Hello, Tachidale to everyone. Welcome back. Learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we're going to learn Guru Rinpoche prayer. So which is called the seven line prayer of Guru Rinpoche. In Tibetan, Guru Rinpoche Dün Soldep. Okay, we're going to read Ga Shabju Gu, Ra Shabju Ru, Ra Jigu Ri Na Rin, Pa Na Ro Po, Cha Dengbo Che, Guru Rimbo Che, Ya Jigu Yi, Ca Jigu Tsik Ka Tsik, Pao Da Shabju Du Na Dün, Tsik Dün. Cậu sa na ro so la sol hảo da đừng bố de pa sa đẹp sol đẹp. Guru Rinpoche yi tsiktin sol đẹp. Okay, so this the seven line prayer of Guru Rinpoche is very well known prayer, so almost most of the people, I could say, is all the most people that recite this seven line prayer. It's a very well known prayer. Okay, let's start. It's only seven line, not that much. Okay. Hung anaro o ragata gaeta jana yen or yen ya shabju yula yul gaeta ya chigunji na shabju nu pa nup paeta changa chang mao cha ma sa cham hung o gin yul gi nup chang cham pa ta pe ma ga dingbo ge sa ra sar sa da dan da na ro dong a dong pa na ro po la pe ma ge sar dong po la ya mao cha na chen mao cha na ru cho ka chok ga jigu gi tao nga na ru ngo sa nge ga rata da shabju du pa dup Pao ra nhà ta nhá đền bồ nhé sa nhé ya chen chok gi nghe drup nhé pa ta pe ma áo pa ta cha sab ju chung à chung cậu na sa ne sha đền bố xế sa sab ju su ga rata ta ka trak pema jung ne xế su trak. Okay, hung o gin yul gi nup 장 참 빼마 게서 동보라 야첸 촉기 뇌룹nye 빼마 중내 셰속 닭 아우 카나로 코라 콜 다샵균두 마오 카카 아우 가라다 다나로 도 망아망 파나로 포사페 파오 사카타카나로 코라콜 콜두 카도 망베 콜 카야타 캬댕보 케타 케 카야타 캬키구키 라자다 자댕보 제사 제 사샵주수 파오 다카 닥 사가타 가라타 다 샵주두 파 둡 카야타 캬키구키 케이키 제수 닥 둡기 바에다 자기구 지나진 가에다 자기구 기사기 바오 라라타 라파랍 파에다 자기구 치라치르 가오 샤댕보 셰가사 쉑 사샵주수 가오 사나로 솔라 솔 진기 랍치르 쉑수 솔 구루 벳마 시디 홍 is a mantra. Kordu kado mang pe kor ke ki jesu tak dup ki jingi lapchir sheksu sol guru petma siddhi hung hung urgen yulgi nup chang cham pema gesar dongpo la ya chen chogi nge drup nye pema jungne shesu dak kortu kado mangpe kor keki jesu dak drup ki jingi lapchir sheksu sol guru petma siddhi hung om a hung benza guru petma siddhi hung om a hung benza guru petma siddhi hung om a hung benza guru petma siddhi hung. Okay, So this is Guru Rinpoche mantra, and this one is like a most people call this a benza, but actual sound is a vajra. Om a hung vajra guru pedma siddhi hung, because it's a Sanskrit. It's a vajra. Is this is should be like a original sound Sanskrit called pronoun vajra. Vajra is kind of the bell. Vajra, not the bell. It's like it's you call it torje in Tibetan. So anyway, most people pronounce as benza, but some people ask question why it's called pronounced benza, but it's a vajra. So it's because of the many people just follow the sound of their teacher and their teacher and their teacher, but it's many people just they don't have sometimes it's mantra are hard to get a real pronunciation, because it is hard if someone already studied, they know the Sanskrit, they know the maybe real sound of mantra, but they don't haven't studied, it's sometimes it's hard. So that's why I just want to clarify. Some people pronounce Om A Hung Vajra Guru Pema Siddhi Hung. Some people pronounce Om A Hung Benza Guru Pedma Siddhi Hung. Okay, I just let you to know, that way you don't get confused. But this is the Guru Rinpoche mantra. You can recite at mass. You can recite as many as you can. So those are called the 7-line prayer. So it's very well-known prayer, and then you can recite the mantra. It's very famous mantra, very famous prayer for Guru Rinpoche. So here is I have just trying to make the individual word, the individual word of meaning. So the Hung has sometimes it's hard to explain exactly. It has the vast, so many meaning on it. So it's here is like in the beginning, it's like a blessing, but it's for me it's not easy to explain. So I just didn't put nothing here. Organ here is referring to the Guru Rinpoche organ. That is organ. Yul is land, but here is I just want to make sure this organ Yul mean is something like the Guru Rinpoche place. Is referring to where he born. Just trying to make a specific, but the where Guru Rinpoche was born is the place called is like a Udiyana. So this is the name of the where Guru Rinpoche born. So some people say where is the Udiyana? It's hard to say that, but they say it like between in Kashmir, in India, the Kashmir. So there is where the Guru Rinpoche was born, where there is a kind of place called Udiyana, but it's not easy to explain. But that is what I heard from somebody. Okay, in Kashmir. So the Urgin Yulmin is Yul is like country or your hometown. Here I put the land Yul. So this just I want to clarify, and then I just put the meaning of the word. Like Gi is a connecting particle, Nup is the west, Chang is the north, thumb is the border, it's kind of. But if this is the just you guys to learn the what do you call the meaning of the word when you study, is you want to curious, each word, the meaning of the word. So that's why I just put it. Pema lotus, geser is a pistol, dongbo is tree. Oh, this I got a tree, and la is a preposition, yansen is a marvelous, chok is supreme, gi is connective particle, ngundrup is city. So this is city is a Sanskrit word, ngundrup, but in English is translated ngundrup is like accomplishment. The usual is accomplishment, or yeah, and they also translate it's perfect. But I just want to put is the siddhi in a Sanskrit. The siddhi is something that you accomplish through your practice, So that is the siddhi. Nye is attainment. Pema is lotus. Jungne is source. Shesuta is call. Dak is renown. Core is surrounded. Do is by. Kando is Dakini. Mangbe is many. Circle is core, is circle. K is you. Ki is connective particle. Jesu is following. Tak is I. Drup is practice. Ki is connective particle. Jin is very grand. Gi is connective particle. Lap is blessing. Chir is in order to. Shek su sol mean is come. So I just put the meaning of the word, but through this word you cannot get meaning. Sometimes if you just want to follow the each word meaning, and then you lose the meaning, you don't get the meaning. So that is therefore there is a translation, just when you read this sentence, that is what exactly and the meaning of this sentence. So that's why I just want to just keep this very simple, so you will know the meaning. But when you want to learn each word, if I put the individual here, this sentence, it doesn't make sense. So that's why I just want to leave the translation as it is, so you will get understand until here. Okay, so this is a Guru Rinpoche prayer called is 7-line prayer of Guru Rinpoche, and then the mantra. So it's very useful. Many people practice this one, and you guys also can learn at the same time. You can vocabulary, also you can learn reading practice. There's so many things we can learn. Okay, this much for today, and you can see a link below this video. Click on the link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning basic reading Tibetan language. Chema Jayong. See you later. Bye for now.